Wir sind immer noch auf der Computex 2018 und wir sind jetzt im TICC, der hat QNAP einen Meetingraum und wir schauen uns alle neuen NAS von QNAP mal an. Yeah, I've Dan next to me. Hello, Dan. Yeah, nice to meet you again. You have all the new products basically here behind us, which you introduced now on Computex 2018.
Yes,
so,
right.
yeah, so let's go through all of them a little bit.
So let's start from the 251B. It's an Intel CPU, it's dual-core CPU, and we use DDR3L RAM inside. And the most important thing is it has a HDMI port, so which means you can do the hardware transcoding to dual channel. So it's very good for home users to enjoy your multimedia content. Okay, the second one is this one is our external storage. Unlike our previous models, this one is also support for Mac and Windows and other PC and our NAS, of course. So this one is our new external storage. So the special thing is support hardware RAID. So you can use hardware RAID configuration to set up the RAID group. Okay. And this one is our new product. It's a 3-bay NAS. You can see it's RAID 5 NAS. So you can use 3 HDD drive to build a RAID group, RAID 5 group. And it also supports hardware transcoding. It's a Realtek CPU and attached 2 GB RAM inside. Okay. And this one is our 9-bay NAS. The name is 951X. It attached one 10 gigabit base T Ethernet ports. And you can see we have 5 3.5-inch HDD port and 4 2.5-inch SSD ports. And it's very good to enjoy your multimedia because it says HDMI port is V1.4B. Okay. And you can see from here, this is our new business model. It's 77XU. It uses AMD Ryzen series. It's 3, 5, and 7 series. Okay, so you attach it for PCI slots, so you can attach higher level GPU cards to improve your computing power. Okay, so that's our new products for you in Computex 2018.
Yeah, perfect. Yeah, thanks for the introduction. I think we will also, of course, test in the future a couple of those models. Yeah. And yeah, I'm pretty amazed by the SSD version, of course. That might be very performant, I think, in the end. So yeah, and yeah, we have a special product here, which Aaron will introduce. Yeah, so hello, Aaron. Yeah, nice to meet welcome. Yeah, you have the AFOBot.
Yes.
Yeah, can you tell us a little bit about it?
Yeah. Okay. So AFOBot, you can see that it will be a smart video convenient robot. We have 3 major functions. One is that you can doing the video call and 4 peers, so at the same time. Yeah. And then the second one is you can use a voice assistant to make it become a smart assistant with you, like calling the weather, take the picture, or the alarms. And the third one will be the multimedia. So you can use voice to search what kind of a song or movie you want to watch. So maybe we can try to have some demo for you.
Yeah, of course. Yeah.
I want to watch Way Back Into Love. Yeah. So because of internet connection here, yeah. So once understand what kind of songs or movie you want to watch for the natural language understanding, and then we auto play what kind of a movie or video you want to play here. Yeah. This is the advertisement. You can jump. Skip the advertisement. Yeah. So it's a Way Back Into Love. Yeah. So no matter movies, videos, or music, you can try to use the voice by the natural language understanding. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. Thanks a lot, Aaron. Thanks a lot, Dan, already, but he left already. So, but there is much more to see. Thank you, Dan. So yeah, we have a lot more to see, and we are going to the next station. Yeah, hi Amal.
Hi Dennis.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
We're standing here next to a presentation about yeah, artificial intelligence, basically.
Yes.
Yeah, can you tell us a little bit about it?
Sure. So with AI picking up and every other company getting into AI, it's the right time for QNAP and IEI to get into AI. And with this, we are launching a series of products around AI. So one of the star product is QAI, which is our developer solution for AI on top of QNAP NAS. And what you can do is you can just have a QNAP NAS, insert a graphics card, install QAI platform, and within minutes you will have your first AI application ready with required framework that you want to use. For example, you want to use TensorFlow. So it is as easy as going to our container station, starting that framework as a container, and you will have TensorFlow framework. So that you can write your first program, AI program on TensorFlow. That's one of the very important factor of QAI as a platform. And right now, we are supporting many of our QNAP NAS, like one of the star model is x82, x77, x85. So all these models are supporting QAI. And right now we are supporting a lot of NVIDIA graphics cards, but soon we are coming up with a lot of accelerated cards like Intel FPGAs, AMD graphics cards, and so on. So that's a little bit overview about QAI.
Okay, so you can basically stick in a VGA card, use the computing power easily from the scratch.
Yes, because AI application demand huge compute. That's why we have to depend on the graphics card to provide that compute. Because GPU provides you thousands and thousands of compute units in parallel, right? So that's why we, from our new QTS 4.3.4 and above, we have supported graphics card to be utilized by, say, container station and other applications for writing their applications. And thus, this plays very important role for AI applications also.
Indeed, that's indeed a very nice addition to the NAS family.
Definitely.
And a totally new way to use it. Really nice.
Yes, and I would like to showcase one of the main use case that we are working. The use case is in healthcare. So this is the solution that we are launching or proposing in Computex. What we have done is we have worked with real doctors, and we are trying to solve one very important problem, that with the age, many people lose their eyesight, right? What if we can predict that somebody may get this problem in advance? That will definitely help them to get the treatment, right? So our engineers have worked very hard with a lot of doctors. We got a lot of real label data. We use this data to train our deep learning model, and now our model is able to predict if you give a real retina scan, it can predict if you may have probability to get a particular disease or not. So thus, we think this is going to be a groundbreaking solution in healthcare domain, and we are committed to work with more doctors to see how we can take this to more hospitals. So each doctor may have a QNAP NAS with this application and feed an image, and he get the result. It's that easy.
Easy to do. Really, really nice addition. Really. And nice demonstration, of course.
Thank you, Dennis. Thank
very
you
nice to see that. Perfect.
Thank you.
Yeah, and we're going on to the next station. I think it's something about 10 gigabit. Yeah, I have Ripple here next to me. Hello.
Hello.
Nice to meet you. You're showing us how to maximize NAS performance.
Yes. I'm going to show you our latest 77XU products, which can use as a storage performance unit and also utilize GPU calculated power. As you can see here is our 77XU with two IO meter from different VN. You see that with the ISER performance, the performance is about 15,000 IOPS compared to general ISER. It has increased more than 20,000. And also, while at the same time, this HDI also has the GPU power here. We see that it can using this stress test, and the whole calculation power is working on with this GPU. It can pass this stress test because it has the capability to insert GPU and utilize e-powers. Okay, and next I want to show you why we can have this stable performance. You see that with the GPU, the CPU utilization, even with this stress test, is very low. And we also have the over-provisioning, which is a new function to utilize to have a consist as a derived performance. You see that our ISER performance is very stable because we have using this over-provisioning function to reserve SSD space to ensure the cache can have a consist write performance. So this is our 77XU with ISER, GPU, calculation power and SSD overprovisioning to fully utilize the NAS storage power.
Yeah, perfect. Cool. Thanks for the demonstration.
Thanks.
Yeah, great. Yeah, hello Eddie. Nice to meet you. You're going to show us something about the new release of the QTS system.
Yeah, today we're talking about the latest coming up firmware release 4.3.5. Some major feature updates. Thanks.
Yeah.
Like here, we can show the disk health from Seagate IM drive. Also, in terms of cache acceleration, of SSD caching, we can adjust the over-provisioning. So that based on your application, it can be 10% up to 40% to extend the SSD usage life. Also boost up the SSD performance. Also for the coming out next network and visual switch, we have visualized our features, physical adapters, virtual adapters. You can adjust easily to see what adapter you are using by using a locator. You can also indicate which hardware you are actually operating or adjusting. So it's much easier for you to make adjustments. In terms of QVPN, we have a latest protocol, QBuild. It's a 256 encryption, so it's much secure connections with other VPNs. And we have a VPN connection table for you to manage different VPN connections ongoing outside. So there's some features coming up in July.
Yeah, actually for me personally, I'm still waiting for the health monitoring from Seagate. So that's a feature where I'm really looking forward because it's giving you more options of than the smart stuff. It's good that you are integrating that.
Cool.
Perfect. Thanks so much. Nice for the introduction. And yeah, we go on to the last station. Yeah, hello Kevin.
Hi.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, you're also having a performance demonstration here, but in your professional series NAS.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I think you already know that QNAP has jumped into the enterprise queue for the 2 or 3 years. So we know the enterprise is not only talking about the business continuity, but also for the performance. So this year we will try to bring up some performance topic for our customer, because as you know, enterprise customer, they are mostly to need to service a lot of the server to stretch the storage. So enterprise storage, they need to offering a stable performance for our customer. So this year we are trying to let you know, and QNAP QES 2.1, we are offering a off-edge solution to fully utilize SSD capability. So combine with our QES native features, something like the data dedication, data compression, and data compaction. And we also offering the QoS to guarantee some of the performance sensitive the LAN or space have a certain label performance. So that's why we have this kind of combination, and also with the ISO utilization to offload the storage CPU utilization. So with ISO and the QES 2.1 and some of the QoS feature, and we can achieve the extremely high IOPS for our enterprise customer.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is this year we are trying to introduce to you guys.
Yeah, cool. I see over 500,000. That's pretty impressive.
Yeah.
So thanks for the demonstration.
Thank you.
Great. Yeah, Angela, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, you're showing us some new features in the QVR Pro.
Yes, in the upcoming version, we have some video analytics in our software side instead of the camera side. For example, the motion detection. Then we can enable those cameras that don't support motion detection by yourself. Then they can still have that feature by using QVR Pro. So even for like a USB camera, like this USB camera. First, we have an app, USB Cam 2, that can convert the USB into an IP camera. So we give it an IP address. Then after it becomes IP camera, and using our motion detection from a QVR side, a QVR Pro side, then it have the motion detection. So like this one. Okay. Now enable it, so it now have the sparkling and the EMAP to show the motion detection from this USB camera, and also the playback of this USB camera. So this is for the camera side, and also we have some integration with the third party. We have this a generic third-party integration tool. So for any kinds of third-party, maybe it's POST or X-control or a license plate recognition, we all can receive all kinds of data format. So we take this. This is Postman. It's a third-party API test tool. So we simulate that we swipe the card. Then the car metadata information will be overlaid onto the video. Before, it's like we have to switch from one system to another system, but now we have these two systems information all together in one singular user interface.
Yeah, pretty nice demonstration. Yeah, thanks a lot for that.
Thanks.
And that was a lot of information from QNAP. I hope you enjoyed it. And yeah, we are delivering, of course, more Computex videos. So on our YouTube channel, check for the other stuff.